Okay, what can I do? I guess I'm gonna have to wait until morning. There's no one around here. There's no fucking garages. Like, what the fuck am I supposed to do? They should make garages out in the country. Good idea. Yo, what the fuck? Oh, okay. So, you know what's wrong? You know what's wrong with it? Where'd you come from? Oh, okay, some chat. Oh, by the way, thank you for helping me. I don't really know what I would have done if you didn't come out nowhere. 'Cause, you know, we're like in the middle of nowhere. I like your uniform, by the way. Cool pants. But yeah. Oh, if you don't mind me asking, like, did someone send you? Like, who sent you? Oh, Taiga. Cool.